Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm your trader Next Abhilash. So, in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 26 March 2021. So, this analysis is for 26 March only, and hopefully, you are in a good profit right now if you have watched my yesterday's video, because I told you to short Euro GBP here, and right now you can see that market came down as we expected. Okay. So anyways, before going further, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so now let's jump to the chart. As we all know, market was in great downtrend. Okay, but right now we can see that market is in a range right now. Okay, that's why I told you to short. Okay, short the pair here when I was when I saw that market was getting some price rejection from above. Anyways, you can see that on the left hand side I have marked the resistance as this point, 0.8641 as the resistance and 0.8535 as the support for the market. As of now, okay, as of now, what you need to do then, if you're looking for a fresh entry, then you just wait for the market to come down to this support level. When market will be coming down to the support level, then you just need to observe the price. Okay. See, market was in huge fall, and then this is the price, 0.853. This is the price level that gives support. Okay. So there is a good possibility that after coming down, market will take support. Okay, market will take support and will bounce back from here. When market will be bouncing back from here, you just go for a buy order. But before placing the buy order, do not forget to get the confirmation. Your confirmation can be in the form of a bullish engulfing pattern, or it can be a price rejection from below, or a hammer pattern like this. Okay. Once you get a confirmation, just go for a buy above the support level. Simple. And in case market reverses from here, okay, reverses from here and goes up, then again you need to observe the price at this level, 0.8641, or this line. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance, then there is a clear indication that yes, sellers are still not allowing the market to go up. Then there is a high chance that market will again reverse from the resistance zone. Once you see that market is about to go down again, market is reversing from the resistance, short the market again. Okay, then you will definitely you'll be making some good money. So if market crosses this level, okay, then that's a different chapter. Overall, we know it very well that market had a huge fall, so I would not tell you to buy once it crosses this level. Okay, I'll cover this for it next week. In case market crosses also, do not buy, okay, because overall the trend of the market is towards the downside, and that you should not forget. So this is the analysis. Hopefully you have understood what you need to do when market will be hitting this level and this level. Okay. So this is my analysis, my point of view, and hopefully you have understood. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow again, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.